Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share how you can create a delicious holiday feast entirely from scratch, straight from your own homestead. Yep, we're talking about a full meal using ingredients you can grow, raise, and harvest yourself. Let's dive in. First up is our main course, a succulent roast chicken. I raised this chicken right here on the farm. After humanely processing it, I let it rest in a brine overnight, packed with herbs and salt. The brine not only tenderizes the meat, but also infuses it with incredible flavor. Now I'm giving it a rub with a mix of garlic, rosemary, and thyme, all fresh from my garden. Into the oven it goes at 375 degrees for about 90 minutes. While the chicken roasts, let's move on to our side dishes. I'm starting with mashed potatoes. These Yukon Golds were dug up just yesterday. Boil them until they're fork tender, then mash with some homemade butter and a splash of fresh milk from our dairy cow. Add salt and pepper to taste, and voila, creamy, dreamy mashed potatoes. Next, let's prep some roasted vegetables. Carrots, parsnips, and Brussels sprouts are my go-to. Toss them in olive oil, salt, and pepper, then spread them out on a baking sheet. They'll roast at 425 degrees for about 30 minutes, turning halfway through for even caramelization. Now, what's a holiday meal without some stuffing? I'm using stale homemade bread, cubed and toasted. Sauté onions, celery, and garlic and butter until soft. Add in the bread cubes, some chicken broth, and a handful of fresh sage and parsley from the garden. Mix it all together and bake at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And don't forget the cranberry sauce. I harvested these cranberries last week. Simmer them with a bit of sugar, orange zest, and water until they pop and thicken into a tangy sweet sauce. Finally, dessert, a classic apple pie. These apples were picked from my orchard. Peel, core, and slice them, then toss with cinnamon, sugar, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Fill a homemade pie crust and bake at 375 degrees for about an hour until golden brown and bubbly. And there you have it, a full holiday feast, all from my homestead. I hope this inspires you to try some homestead cooking yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. Happy holidays and happy cooking! See you next time.